This is for 36 and 37. Okay. The direction says find the slope and y-intercept. Okay. So essentially, we have an equation that looks like this. 6x minus 8y equals 8. Okay? And looking at these forms right here, to find the slope and the y-intercept, we need to get it to look like this. Okay? So you see this equation is really important. So all you're doing is basically rearranging this equation that they give in the problem to look like this. Because once we know this, the number that's in front of x, that will be your slope. And the number that's on the end, that will be your y-intercept, is what the directions ask for. So I'm going to show you how to solve this equation. Okay. So first of all, we have to get y on the side by itself. So we're going to subtract 6x. So this will be canceled. Negative 8y equals 8 minus 6x. To get y by itself, we undo the negative 8. So we're dividing both sides by negative 8. So these are canceled. So we're going to get y equals. Now we're going to rewrite this. So 8 over negative 8 minus 6x over negative 8. Okay? This is the same thing. This form and this form. Alright. So you're going to get y equals 8 divided by negative 8, negative 1, negative 6x divided by negative 8, positive 6 divided by negative 8x. Okay? So then we can reduce this 6 over 8 if you divide top and bottom by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So from here, the answer will be y equals negative 1 plus 3 over 4x. And that's your slope-intercept form. So the direction specifically asks for slope and y-intercept. So the slope is m, the number in front of x. So this is your m, the number in front of x. And the b is the number by itself. So this is b. So m equals 3 over 4. B equals negative 1. And this is your answer. Okay, for number 37, you're going to work it the same way. Alright, x plus 2y equals negative 3. So again, the first step is we must get y by itself so we can put it in slope-intercept form. Putting it in slope-intercept form will help us to be able to clearly identify the slope and the y-intercept that it acts for in the directions. Alright, so to start this, to get y by itself, all you do is subtract x from each side. So you're going to get 2y equals negative x minus 3. Now we have to undo this 2. It was multiplied by y, so we're going to divide by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals negative x over 2. And then you have negative 3 over 2. And this is it. So now that we have it in slope-intercept form, we can clearly identify what's the slope and what's the y-intercept. So, the number in front of x here is your m, and then the number by itself, b, is your y-intercept. Okay, so the answer will be m equals -1/2, b -3/4.